Frustrated with the Default Library DLL pop-up ruining your stream? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you the professional way to patch your game files. While preparing the manual steps for Default Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Default Library, frequently found in localized game engines to store default fallback variables for physics, shaders, and UI assets. It serves as the safety net manifest for the engine. If missing, the game cannot resolve its core settings if a custom config is corrupt, leading to a fatal error missing default manifest at the splash screen. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Because Default Library DLL is a proprietary component linked to the Localized Application Default Manifest system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the default library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Default Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Default Library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Default Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support